Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ola. I'm a Nigerian, but presently I'm based in Canada, Yellowknife to be precise. I want to thank you first of all for subscribing to my YouTube channel, for coming to this page. In this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing information to you about Canada immigration, the process, the strategies, the platforms and the pathways through which you can migrate to Canada without the use of an agent. I mean, you don't necessarily need to give money to an agent before you can come to Canada. There are some things you can do by yourself through research, and not everyone have the time to make this research. That is why people like us who are already here and who knows about some of the process, some of the strategies, some of the the do's and don'ts, things you can do that can land you a job offer, the steps you need to take. All these things will help you to migrate to Canada. It may take time. I know it takes time, but with perseverance and consistency and hard work and planning, you can land that job. You can get yourself to Canada, just like a lot of people that are already here. Canada is a country where a lot of immigrants want to come, right? Because of the job, the standard of living, and I mean every other thing, their work environment, their culture. A lot of things attract people to Canada. And I want to say that there are some things that you need to do if you are really serious about migrating to Canada without the use of an agent, because the immigration experts or immigration agents in some of the countries like Nigeria, or let's say anywhere in Africa or in Asia, I'm not saying they are not trustworthy. I'm not saying they are not going to do your visa, but there is this peace of mind when you do your own visa by yourself, when you are processing your visa by yourself without the use of an agent, in a situation where you are talking to an employer directly. Maybe, for example, while I use myself as an example, while I was in Dubai, so I was talking with employers directly from Dubai to Canada, and I didn't contact any agent. I searched for the job by myself. I did a lot of online research, and I talked to a lot of companies, directly from Dubai. And the same thing would have happened if I was in Nigeria. I was actually staying in Nigeria before I'm from Nigeria. Then I traveled to Dubai. I spent some years in Dubai. So in the course of my stay in Dubai, I was thinking of leaving Dubai for anywhere in Europe or America, So I started researching about Canada, and I got a lot of information. So it was same information that I got that I used to migrate to Canada. I didn't consult any agent. At first, I tried to consult agents. The bill was so high, and I nearly gave up on my plan of migrating to Canada. But along the line, when I started this research, I was making a lot of research, how to get a job in Canada, how to get to Canada, Then at the end of the day, I got some interviews, and by the grace of God, now I'm here in Canada, and I feel that I can share one or two information. I feel that I can share one or two information with people, and that is why I created this YouTube channel, in order to be able to help potential immigrants that are still in their various countries, who are willing to come to Canada on a work permit or on a permanent residence. So it is very, very possible. There is not impossible. And there are a lot of stories out there where people get to Canada without the help of any agent. So you can do the same, because you have a peace of mind when you are doing your own visa by yourself, when you are talking to the employer by yourself, when you are talking to immigration officers in Canada by yourself. So you are rest assured that you are not wasting money, you are not losing money. because you are not giving your money to any agent, right? So the time frame, the processing time, the documentation, everything, you are handling it by yourself. You will get the instructions you need from the immigration officers in IRCC. They will direct you on what to do, the papers to submit, and every other thing. You know, they have a lot of resources online on Canada website. You know, so that is why people like us, we want to come online to dish out this information. And please do me a favor, because this channel is brand new. I would please like you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. And please do share with your friends and your loved ones. See you next time. Thank you.